reached the end of that panel. I'm requiring some metal pegs to hold it together because glue did not reach that end. So the time is now 1:48 p.m. 28th of 2nd 2023. Just to update, show what I'm doing for that. It should be good. Fingers crossed, superstitious. So at the moment I'm just enjoying the cool temperature before it gets hot this afternoon. Well, it's supposed to. And tired because I have to get up at 5 in the morning and go to the toilet again every day. But anyway, thanks for watching this update. Hey folks, 3 March 2023, 16 past 3 p.m. Friday afternoon. Hopefully this is enough video to combine it to upload. So what am I doing, or having a break from? Heat gun, bottle of spray water. This is put together with protein glued, and yet, which means protein glue does not like water and heat combined, which means I've been using it so I can take this apart. See the two panels, and this is the frame here. This has two layers with an inner core, and you can see here where the bugs got into it, which are giant roaches basically. And I've got to try and rescue this. Some of this is dry rot. I've already taken some of this out. Some of it's already dry rotted enough where it might not be savable. You can save some of it if you overly gloss it to soak into it. But before that, you can actually water down some PVA glue and soak that through the dry rot to give it some cohesion. Then you can use timber gloss or varnish to help solidify the timber, so to speak. It preserves it. So that's what I'm doing, having a break from, because I'm getting hungry. But I want to take this whole thing apart. I forgot to turn on the light as usual. There you go, it's a little bit better. That's a magnifying light. I scrounged that down the road, neighbour threw it out, and it has metal joints, as you can see, not plastic. And to try and buy one of those is like $400 second hand. I'm like, whoa. Anyway, I'm doing this at the moment as I've got some sore muscles, and because I freaking toilet use, I dehydrate really quick, so I cramp up. So this is a good way to take your mind off that as well. So I'm trying to see how much I can penetrate all this with spray water and the heat gun. Luckily, it's already weather damaged, so some of it's naturally going to come apart easily, like that. And I still haven't got a material for the top yet. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. Hopefully I can scrounge something. Still not taking the drawers apart yet. Yeah, excuse me. Just yawning. So obviously this is on its side. Not on its side, on its drawer front. The drawers go into there. And that's more part of the frame. So it was probably a huge table of some sort. So I'm going to put some caster wheels on this, so it makes it easier to move around and use and make it look pretty. I got the caster wheels on eBay for, I had it in my watch list, and the guy said, well, I had it up for $19 something and made me offer $18 or $17. I accepted it, but it was also $18 postage as well. So I'm just waiting for that to turn up in the mail. I think it's from Queensland somewhere. And so that's what I'm doing with this. So thanks for watching. This would be, I think, part 3 of a video that I'm going to put together. Hopefully I get the sequence of the videos right when they were taken. We'll see.